has ranked Pakistan as the #1 country in the world that has the most online searches for pornographic material.
Yeah, this is unbelievable.
And that's news?
Yes, it is news.
Really?
It is news.
They have no, they're not seeing it anywhere.
No, I understand. I completely
Basic
understand.
human curiosity.
But look at what they, or it could be like the NFL where football begets more football. Like they were worried about putting football on TV, that it would diminish the product, and it turned out, no, it just made people crazy for football. So read them, it's disturbing.
It is disturbing.
Read what the searches are.
This is the part of it that I found surprising, okay? Because them searching for porn, not so surprising. What they're specifically searching for is surprising and disgusting.
Yeah. What are they searching for?
I'll read it to you right now. Pakistan is top dog in searches per person for horse sex in 2004. This isn't funny.
Yes, it is.
Okay. Donkey sex since 2007.
You're going to argue that that's not fun.
This is a serious story.
You know, right there in front of the computer. Horse, donkey. Search.
What else? Okay. That's it? Just horses and
dogs? No, there's much more.
No, this is where it gets serious. Okay, so rape pictures between 2007 and 2009.
So horse sex, donkey sex, rape pictures.
Rape sex since 2004, child sex between 2004 and 2007, and since 2009, animal sex since 2004, and dog sex since 2000.
So are there any women, like any man-woman sex, any of that going on in Pakistan?
Just animal sex and... Go ahead, Anna, finish the story.
So...
Oh, what's next? What else?
Is there more?
Yes. They also are #1 in searches for...
Come on. What is it?
In camel sex. This is terrible. This story took a turn for the worse.
Anything else you're looking for in Pakistan?
I can't wait till this is on YouTube. It's going to be so good.
No. Yes, that's it.
That's it?
So yes, they're searching for disturbing material on
it seems to me that nothing is more evidence. I mean, that just for the love of God, give people porn. Like if you keep things from people, they're bursting.
Yeah, but it's also like Cenk was saying about his cousin who's in the Turkish army, and at night the guys from the villages will go out and screw a donkey.
Right.
They probably don't think it's as bad to screw an animal as it is to screw a woman, religiously speaking.
Right. Again, same point though. Ultimately, just let people have sex.
You gotta let them go.
Let them go, and they'll have less donkey sex and less of the hideous
camels,
and then the fun stuff like the camel. I mean, now's the reason. The fun stuff to read about, and then the horrible stuff, the rape and the incest.